simplification. So in simplification, what happened? How do we simplify one question? Suppose you have 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you have to simplify it, the total means the sum you have to do, that is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12. So this is what we made it in we simplified this sum. Now in simplification you have to learn, first thing is BODMAS. 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 So you have to learn first is BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? So B stands for bracket, O stands for, so B stands for bracket, O stands for off, which means multiplication, I'll explain a little later. Then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Suppose we say we have one question. This is our question is there. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, so what we have to do is, first we'll go to BODMAS. Now B stands for bracket, we do not have. O, we do not have off also. Divide, D, divide. So divide we have between 3 and 12. So 21 minus 3 4 ja 12. So it becomes 4 into 2. Then second we have to do multiplication. So 4 into 2 we have to do, that gives me 6, and 21, from there we do not have addition between them, we have subtraction. So now subtraction we have to do, 21 minus 6. So 21 minus 6 will give me 15. So this is your answer. Now another question we will take. So this is our question which we were doing. So what, according to the rule BODMAS, what we have is, first we have to see bracket. We do not have any brackets here. Off we do not have. Then divide. Now divide we have between 8 will be divided by 4. So 16 plus 8 divided by 4 will give me 4 2 ja 8 minus 2 into 3. Now after this divide we have done, then we have to go for multiplication. Now which one we have multiplication? Between 2 and 3 we have multiplication. So 16 plus 2 minus 6. So this 2 3 ja 6. After this we have to go for addition. Now here addition is between 16 and 2. That means 16 plus 2, which gives me 18 minus 6, and how much will be it will become? So now at the end we have only subtraction remaining, so that is 12. which is your answer. Now we will take suppose another question which is little more complicated. Now here we have to use everything, but before that you have to learn the brackets. So in BODMAS, first thing is your brackets. Now in brackets there are three types of brackets. The brackets are of three types: first bracket, second bracket, and the third bracket. So we have to always go for the first bracket, then after that we will go for the second bracket, and then we have to go for the third bracket for solving the questions. Now in this question, if you see, this is your first bracket, means first we have to solve within these, then we have the second bracket between these two, and the third bracket is between this. Now in the brackets also we have one bar. If you see, there is a bar over 4 minus 1. So according to the BODMAS, you have to go for the bracket. So first bracket we can see is this, and within the bracket there is a bar also over the 4 minus 1. So first we have to go is this bar, then we can continue with the brackets. So this you have to remember. So 27, other things will remain same for now. 16 minus 5, then minus 4 minus 1 will give me 3. So this is 4 minus 1 which gives me 3. So this is clear. So first you have to go for the bar. Now second we have to go for the brackets. Now first bracket is between this, so other things remain same. 5 minus 3 will give me 2. Now because there is a bracket which has no use, because nothing is there, only one single digit remain, so these brackets will go off. So this bracket will go off. There will be no need to have a bracket now. Now others will remain same. Then now we have to go for the second bracket, which is this. 16 minus 2, 14. Now because second bracket also will have to go off, because we don't need now, because only single digit remain in that. Now third bracket. So third bracket when you solve, so 18 minus 14, that will give me 4, and the third bracket also will be off now. Now 27 minus 4 will give me 23. So this is your